video, I'll be showing you how to assemble the Braitenberg vehicle. Pieces were found in this box with the 2 motors that you were given. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your motor and your screws and the little base plate found with the other chassis parts, and you're going to attach it to the gearbox. Make sure that the little red plate that you're fastening on goes to the side that is opposing the face that the wire is on. So you'll push down this little part of the chassis and you'll push the screws through these 2 top holes. 1 and 2. Don't worry if this plate doesn't quite sit flat just yet, just try to push it down. Then take either one of the nuts and fasten them with the screws. An important note when you finish assembling the gearbox, this nut's flat face right here needs to line up with the notch, or the top plate of the Braitenberg vehicle won't sit flat. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to attach the motors, the standoffs, and the caster to the base plate that you have here. Keep in mind that the orientation of the base plate matters, as not everything is going to fit on if you don't actually have it in the correct orientation. The image that you have provided with you has this little square off to one side and has the motors in this orientation, with the wheels eventually going to be going on there and there. Next thing you'll be doing is attaching all 4 standoffs onto your chassis base plate. The holes that you'll be using, I'll show here, are going to be this one. Once you've finished putting in those screws, then you'll be attaching the standoffs, and you should have something that looks like that. Once both the top screws and the bottom screws are fastened and the caster is on, the next thing you're going to want to do is tighten on both of the wheels. First, you'll take the rim and the tire, and you'll just be fastening on the rubber by just stretching over the edge like such. Alright, there should be a double D shaft here and a shaft here with 2 flats on it. You'll line that up and just press it on. Then you'll be taking the provided screws, lining them up, and threading them in as appropriate.